Now, if you like here, you can or stretch your legs like a dog, check, 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 yeah? Or you can do a downward facing dog, whatever you feel more comfortable, okay? So stretching the legs or just go to a comfy downward facing dog, not too forcing. Well done, very nice, good. So now we can have the bolster around or your pillows. Yeah, maybe you don't need it for this pose, but I will show you two ways. Yeah, so we will do a pigeon pose that is a hip opener, the classic hip opener. Yeah, so we will start. I show you from the front first, and then from the side. Yeah, so in all fours, we will move. We will start with the right leg. Yeah, so it's more easy again to follow. So I show you with my left. You go with the right, yeah? So you bring the knee toward the wrist. And then you move the foot. If you know already, you go, yeah? Just in case I can remember at least if you did it before. So we move, I think so. We move the foot to the center and then we go back. Yeah, so I show you from the side. You go back. Yeah. Now, check that we are not falling. It's not like the one that we did before. Check that you are not falling on the leg. Yeah. You try to keep on the center. Okay. Now, we try to stay a little bit there. Yeah. So what we will do there is, if you like, you can put your pillows or your cushions beneath your belly and your chest. So you can relax here. You check. Or you put this comfy. You can put extra pillows to make it more comfy for your head. Yeah. Or you can be on the floor. Trying to keep on the center. Yeah. Good. Now, if at any point the knee is too much, move the foot a little to find your comfortable position. And if it's too much, you go to child pose. Okay. Now, if we can, we stay a little bit there. Yeah. Softening. Finding comfort and relief. Check that your shoulders are relaxing, that you are not tensing your arms to keep the position. Yes, so it's a balance of relaxation for the whole body. Yeah. Good. Now, we'll do this one more for the green energy. Yeah, using we have on the eye the green for all that we saw today. So imagine the green energy, the healing energy passing really deep into your hips, your lower back, on the physical aspect, but it's going deeply into your core, the very core of your being, healing, passing that energy around yourself, your body, healing everything around your physical body, your heart, your mind, your soul. Well done. And then slowly coming back. We put the hands on the floor, open your chest, yeah, relax your shoulders. Well done. Now from here again, we can go to all fours and stretch the leg that is forward back, yeah. Check, 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 check. Or you can do downward facing dog. Yeah, whatever is easier for you. Well done. Now again to all fours. Again, we will move the knee toward the wrist. So you are on the center here. Yeah? You move the knee to the side. Once you put the knee on the side, your foot is coming like on the center. And then you move back with the back leg. Yeah, so you are on the center. Yeah, check that you are not falling. So if you feel that you are falling, you can put pillows here, yeah, or a blanket. But if you can keep the center, you don't need support. You keep the center. So you can keep your hands, yeah, or your elbows. If you keep your hands or your elbows, shoulders are away. Yeah, so check that you're not tensing. Even if you have the hands, you can relax your hips here, yeah. And then again, you can put your bolster, your pillow, yeah, okay. Put more pillows for your head, nice and comfy, and try to surrender, yeah. So again, imagine the green light, the cocoon around you, healing as you open, yeah. So imagine as you open, you are releasing, you are letting go. Even if you don't know what you are letting go not only physical tension, you are letting go emotional stress that we are holding there, yeah. There is a physical explanation, physiological explanation why we keep the tension on the hips. Yeah, it's a reflex of the body, yeah, and the big muscle that is in front of the hips. So when we open that muscle, immediately we release also the emotional tension. Yeah, relax, release, soften, let go. Soften shoulders, yeah. So as we are opening here, imagine the energy of healing passing through. Yeah, so you are doing this effort and imagine like a beautiful, caring, healing energy passing through and minding you, minding your hips, everything that is hurting, imagining the physical aspect, but also imagine that it's giving you like a relief of all the emotional pain, yeah, the hurts and the fears, the doubts, everything that we are suffering at the moment, yeah. Good, and then slowly coming back. Beautiful, well done. And then again, we can stretch, or we stretch the leg back, or we go to downward facing dog. Well done, very nice. Good. So what we will do now, we will invert like we normally do in restorative. So we will go to the back now, okay? So have or a block or a cushion, we will put not yet beneath your bum, yeah? And have as well maybe two, so if you need just to put in the legs, okay? So what we will do first, we will put the feet together, yeah? With the knees open. Okay, so we will go to lying down on the floor with the hips open. Yeah? So we will do a little bit more stretch before our next restorative. Yeah? So if you feel that your inner thighs are tense in here, like shaking, you put support. Yeah, so we don't want to do an effort. We want to relax. Yeah. Now, before you go into more relaxation, bring the hips a little bit like a tilting forward. You want to bring the belly a tiny bit in, yeah, and feel really the lower back there, yeah. So squeeze your belly a little bit in, bring really the lower back. So imagine that the square or rectangle that you are forming with your hips and your lower back, and try to put it really grounded on the floor. And then bring your chin, as always, a little bit more closer to the chest to lengthen the back of the neck. And then expand your arms, yeah? So try now to feel the whole rectangle of your back. So your hips, your lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulder blades on the floor. And check a little bit here. Now you can notice the disbalance, the imbalance that we have. Yeah, we always have one hip more on the floor or one shoulder blade more on the floor. So check that you can bring balance. Yeah, move a little. And then relax and forget about everything. Just relax. Surrender. Using the breathe out to let go. Yeah, so again, the legs open, we are releasing tension of the hips, yeah? But at the same time, we start to incorporate the idea that we start to receive, yeah? So we already let go a lot, so we have a space now to receive. So this gesture is like a really open gesture of receiving, yeah? So you are allowing here to start to receive, yeah? So we will start to receive from the planet now, from the rods. Imagine now an orange light coming up through your rods. Orange is the color of the second chakra. It's all this area. So you are still surrounded by that cocoon in green, yeah, that healing energy. And we start to receive a more focused energy to release all this area. Yeah, to release and to receive. Yeah, so we are starting to receive now. And imagine that we are receiving more, like a more positive energies now, yeah, more positive emotions and feelings. Yeah, a creativity force coming up. Yeah, the idea that we deserve to receive everything that we want and we desire in our life. Yeah, all those emotions are the emotions of the second chakra. Yeah? So imagine that we are absorbing and receiving. Again, you don't have to think what you have to receive unless you have something really clear in your mind and you want to work on that. Yeah? But just open to receive. It's a soft energy of allowing. Very nice. Now slowly, 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 we will close the legs. Yeah. Now we will do the opposite. Yeah. So we will open the feet to the width of the mat. Yeah. And then we will close the thighs toward each other. Now, we don't have to force this closing. We don't have to touch the knees unless it's coming naturally. And again, you will bring the belly a little bit in to bring the hips tilting forward. Again, we want to feel the lower back here. We want to lengthen the spine and bring the chin toward the chest and relax your arms. Yeah. So once you feel your back nice and connected, again, the whole rectangle from the hips to the shoulder blades, keep your feet there. You don't move the hips. You will open the knees and then you will go with one leg to the center and back and the other leg to the center and back. One leg to the center and up. One leg to the center and up. Yeah. So you move slowly. Now, if you can do this, bringing your belly a little bit in, you will feel a really deep stretch, nice and soft stretch here on the lower back. Yeah. Soft. Well done. Very nice. And then we will bring the feet hip distance apart as always, yeah? And we will put one block or one pillow or the bolster beneath your bum, yeah? Okay, cool. Very nice. Now take your time. Again, we want to feel the same sensation that you're bringing the hips a little bit forward, that you are relaxing the lower back, that you lengthen the spine and the back of the neck. Your arms are relaxing, yeah? Now, that block or pillow is supporting the second chakra. So it's like the idea that as we receive and we open this area, we are deeply supported. So imagine that pillow or a block is connecting again with a huge root, like a huge pipe. Imagine a root like a pipe, huge, like a big channel. And imagine that you are absorbing, like a pipe, all the energy that you need from the planet, the allowing energy. So the idea that you are receiving everything that you need, tinted with orange. Imagine the orange light there. Huge root absorbing orange light. That orange is like enhancing the work of this chakra, and you are allowing to receive, and you are allowing all that area to be open to receive. The idea that we deserve to be open to receive, that we deserve to receive, that we can feel beautiful emotions and feelings, that we can create everything that we need, that we can create the life that we want. That sensation that we deserve to realize our desires and our dreams. That idea. Allowing. And imagine now the cocoon tinted in pink light. So you're receiving your orange, and your cocoon is transformed in a beautiful pink cocoon. Pink is the color of the unconditional loving energy. So imagine that you are receiving all that through a loving energy. Feeling yourself with that loving energy. Open your heart as well to that loving energy. And just surrender there. Well done. Very nice. Now slowly we will release. We will take slowly your block or your cushion. Put your lower back on the floor. And bring your knees to your belly. Well done. And we roll side to side. Soften. Well done. Now we will roll toward one side. And we will do now